Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to grow plants from self-watering pot. You only need 2 items to make the self-watering pot. Cut the top part of the container, 1/3 of it. Make 6 holes at the upper part of the pot. So you can put the thread like this. Fill up the upper pot with some soil and the bottom part with some water. So let's plant some seeds. Since the soil is still dry, you just need to water it thoroughly only this one time. Within 21 days, I only clean and change the water once. So this self-watering pot is really recommended for people who don't have time to water their plants. Happy gardening!